our new engine is going to come up with these two, which is basically the end bracket and the chain wheel in the same distance. Let's open it up, make sure that's the way to go. And you guys can see we've got the same pattern with the same distance, meaning we don't need to do any adjustment. We can look where was the old bolts, realize that this is where we're going to use our holes, and it's gonna be pretty easy to attach it back. We might want to lose pressure over there, so let's do this. Let's unlock this.